do we do now that the world has failed?